The Dark Mod is free and open-source software first-person stealth video game, inspired by the Thief series by Looking Glass Studios. The game provides the basic framework and tools, engine, assets, models, and editor, for more than 100 fan-made missions, including several multi-mission campaigns. The Dark Mod was first released in 2009 as a total conversion mod for Dune 3. Version 2.0 was released in October 2013 as a standalone game using the open-source ID Tech 4 game engine. The Dark Mod takes place in a classic Gothic steampunk world. This includes a crossover of elements of fantasy, the late Middle Ages, the Victorian era, and the Industrial Revolution. Although set in a very similar world to that of the original Thief series, the mod does not use any of the original Thief intellectual property. The player is an agile thief in a hostile world. He has to use his equipment and the environment to avoid guards, traps, creatures, or other threats. His equipment includes a blackjack, water arrows, holy water, flesh bombs, mines, and more. Since the player has only a limited fighting capability, he is supposed to sneak and hide in dark, mostly avoiding combat. The plot and mission goals are set by the author of the fan mission or campaign. The Dark Mod was originally released as a total conversion modification for Dune 3, but with the release of version 2.0 it became completely standalone on the ID Tech 4 game engine. The game's source code is licensed under the GNU General Public License 3, and all other non-software components are under Creative Commons by.NC-SA. The mod was originally developed as a toolkit. It includes models, sounds, AI, art, tools, and a specialized editor for users to create custom missions. The development of the mod started in 2004, and the first beta was released in 2008, along with its first mission. In October 2009, version 1.0 was released. In October 2013, version 2.0 was released as a standalone game that included 2 missions created by the development team. The current version is version 2.08, and has over 130 fan-made missions available. The Dark Mod 2.06 includes code from the Dune 3 fork of the ID Tech 4 game engine that was ported to 64-bit, etc. It is now possible to play the Dark Mod as a native 64-bit build on Linux without any 32-bit libraries. Notable features as of 2.06 64-bit: soft shadows, symmetric multiprocessing, SMP, optimizations, EFX audio, replacing proprietary EAX, FMPEG video support, scrolling menus and GUI scaling options, modernized OpenGL invokes, GLSL shaders, and frame buffer object support. Note: as of 2.07, soft shadows are available in 2 varieties. Blurred shadow volumes with a blurring algorithm similar to PCSS. Shadow mapping with true PCSS blurring. Other notable 2.07 features: HRTF audio, AVX optimizations. Notable features for 2.08: screen space ambient occlusion, 64-bit color FBO, material shader support, GLSL, parallax corrected cubenap support, initial, GLSL 3.1 core compliance, uniform transforms, buffer object persistent mapping. The Dark Mod has been featured and reviewed by a number of major game magazines, websites, and blogs. Examples include the Dutch magazine PC Gameplay, the blog Kotaku, the British magazine PC Gamer, the German magazines PC Games and GameStar, as well as the British gaming website Rock, Paper, Shotgun. After going standalone, the project received additional substantial coverage from Destructoid and Joystick. The Dark Mod won PC Gamer UK's Game of the Year award, mod category, for 2013, and has been distributed on several magazine cover DVDs. In 2014, the Dark Mod was named by PC Gamer among the 10 top fan-remade classics you can play for free right now. In 2016, the Dark Mod was ranked as number 2 in the 50 best free PC games list by PC Gamer.